Wait! Wait! Can I do this emoji?
Video ko yan.
I just can't stop moving. It's too fun to sway. I'm picky, I'm choosing to do things my way. Go with the flow, put on a show, kill it. Living my life, I'm on a high feeling. I'm so fly, I'm doing my best moves today. They're losing track of my feet, yeah. Everyone else took a seat, yeah. I'm the only one left on the floor. Just watch me move to the beat, yeah. Just watch me move to the beat, it runs through my veins. The moves that I'm doing don't even have names. I'm gonna slide, I'm gonna ride, get it. Shaking my head, leave me the left. You got one, see beauty, so I'll entertain. They're losing track of my feet, yeah. Everyone else took a seat, yeah. I'm the only one left on the floor. Just watch me move to the beat, yeah.
One, two, ha! Same prices to, no? Ma'am, hindi lang.
Ay, hindi pala. Si Dodi kasi pala decision ko kasi. Nasa na?
Mga sombrero.
Ayan, supportahan natin ang ating mga solid for our first game. Ayan, once again, ating first game ay Bring Me. Ang mapapabring si ating princess dito ng mga bagay-bagay. And instant, ang makapagdadala po ay bibigyan natin ng game prizes. Okay, kids, are you ready?
For our first item, bring me this item. Ayan, gusto ko sana is color red.
Okay, oh, sweet! Wala pa. Okay, excited pa si Jim. Okay, oh. Makinig. Okay, kids, once again, bring me a color red na makikita lamang sa bag ni Mami. Yan, sa mga iyong Wait, wala pa. Okay, next time, bring me a color red. Red lipstick! Okay, may nakapagdala na po ng ating first item. And you are, okay, so we have our first winner. Okay, so we're bringing, once again, Lorenzo. Mention lang mo namin na. Lorenzo, congratulations. Okay, kasi yung papers is from Dali. Wow! Kuya Robin, gusto ko rin ka maglaro. Item. Okay, kids, listen to our second item. Okay, kung kanina is color red, this time bring me color white naman. Okay, this time color white. Oh, wait, there's more. Makinig ko maigi. Bring me color white. Pero gusto ko sana is yung mabango. Ayan, mabango. Okay. Oh, wait, there's
Oo, itinawag sa kakatayan. Okay, kids, go back to your seat this time. Let's validate.
First, ano po natin, requirements is color white. Ayaw mo naman kalapit sa akin. Color white. Okay, so approve po ba? Ayan, medyo colorful, pero may color white. Pero this time, tingnan natin kung mabango, Daddy. Ano? Daddy, may anak ka ba na nagdala dito? Wala. Gusto mo ba bigyan natin ng game prizes? Yung aamuyin mo lang to. Okay, kaya congratulations. Nasa po yung mga nagdalayan. Bigyan natin ng game. Dati marami ka mga game prizes dyan. Ano, nakaready ka ba? Okay lang, di ba naman siya, Lima? Ano, kaya ba? Okay, limang kids lang naman siya, limang kids. Ayan, sige, nasa may limang kids. Kuya Robin, gusto ko talaga sumali sa game. Basta naman kami information siya. Okay, next. That's our next item. Okay, so next item naman tayo. Isa lang po yung mananalo. Isa lang. Okay, tapos na po ba? Dati lima po yung yung nanalo, lima. Okay, this next item naman tayo. Okay, next item. This time, bring me. Ayan, ginagamit po ito sa transportasyon. Okay, kaya naman, bring me this kind of card. Bring me a Metro card. Go! Okay, so wait. Ay, meron na po tayong winner. Okay, we have a winner. So, ayan, baby boy, get your game prizes. May game prizes na po ba? Ayun, okay. Congratulations. And this time, ayan, kung kanina nagdala po yung ating mga Jolly Kids, this time for our last item, gusto ko po is Jolly Adults naman yung magdadala. Okay, mga adults po yung mag-e-enjoy for our last item. Daddy, this time, two winners lang yung tatagawin ko. Pero, adult po yung kasali. Okay, kids? Go back to your seat. Sit down muna kayo. Dahil this time, Jolly Adults yung magdadala. Okay, adults, are you ready? Yung mga adults natin, ready na po ba kayo, adults? Ready na kayo? Ready na. How about yung mga nasa labas po? Ready na po ba kayo? Ay, ready, ready. How about yung nandito po? Ready na po ba? Ready, ready na. Okay, kaya mo for our last item, adults.
A picture of your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. Go!
Hala, hala, hala.
Ready, ready. Okay, sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa ang malakas ng loob? Pagdadala ng picture ng kanilang ex-boyfriend. Ah!
Kasi married na.
Ay, okay, okay. May nagdala. Ay, may nagdala. Oh, sige, 3.3. Ay, sorry. Ang dami tumalis na ako.
Okay.
Iba yan ah.
Okay, so ito po is ex. Wait lang, sir. Ex-girlfriend po. Ex-girlfriend. Literal or asawa na?
Literal na naging asawa.
Okay, nasa po si Mrs. Counted naman. Nasa po, nasan? Nasa po si Mrs. ngayon?
Doon sa bahay.
Okay, sige po, sir. Bigyan po ng game prizes. And this time, dito naman tayo. Okay, sir. Uy, ang ganda naman. Okay, ex-girlfriend. Ngayon po ay asawa. Nasa po si Mrs. Oh, ganda. Why so pretty? Sino po ito? Kayo din? Ay, grabe. Dami. Dalawa pa, no? Okay, congratulations. Bigyan po ng game prizes si sir. And for the last, yung mga unang-unang lumapit.
Daddy, 5 boys and 5 girls. Okay, nami. Princess, okay? Together with our best friend, Jollibee. Tama-tama, ang aking best friend na si Jollibee ay may tatlong kahilingan lamang po para kay Nixie. Ayan, so munting paalala lamang po sa ating mga Jollibees at Jolly Adults ng ating best friend na si Jollibee po ay hindi nakakaimik. So ang gagawin po natin, puhulaan po natin ano po ba ang birthday wish ng isang best friend Jollibee para kay Nixie. Okay, kaya naman best friend Jollibee, ready ka ba for your first wish? Sa paglaki pa ni Nixie, si Nixie ay lumaki. Ano daw kaya yon? Lumaki? Uy, ang galing ni Daddy. Madasalin. Madasalin at meron pa? Madasalin. Yan, grabe ka naman, best friend.
May takot sa Diyos.
Ano daw?
May takot
Ay,
sa
may
Diyos.
takot daw. Grabe ka naman katakot, best friend. May takot sa...
Bubuyog.
Diyos. Kaya na first wish ni Jollibee ay maging madasalin at may takot sa Diyos ang ating birthday celebrants na si Nixie. Okay, best friend Jollibee, for your second wish. Nasa na daw po sa... At... Oy, grabe naman pagka-sexy. Sexy? Sexy like... Oy, like mommy. Wow! Mami, okay po ba yun? Maging maganda at sexy like you. Approve po ba? Ay, approve na approve, best friend Jollibee. And now, what my best friend for your third and alright, so best friend Jollibee, meron ka nakatatlong kahilingan for Nixie. And this time, ano pa bang sorpresa? I will put this chair. Dahil kailangan ng ating best friend na si Jollibee ng malawak-lawak na dance floor. Okay, so best friend Jollibee, ready ka na bang sumayaw? Uy, hindi pa daw kasi wala na kasi palakpakan naman dyan. Ayan, palakpakan na may kasama. Hiyaw! Okay, kaya naman best friend Jollibee. Ayan, naghiyawan na sila. The floor is yours.
Just hear those sleigh
This is the test of the emergency broadcast.
And once again, final call for best friend. Hey, come on, let's go, best friend Jollibee. Hey.
Ready ka na bang sumayaw? Uy, hindi pa daw